Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a complete look at the all-new Nissan Magnite 2025. This compact SUV has been refreshed with modern styling, a much more premium interior, and several technology upgrades that aim to set new benchmarks in its segment. In this review, we'll explore both the exterior and the interior in detail, while also touching on performance, practicality, and overall value. At first glance, the 2025 Magnite stands out with a bolder, more aggressive design. The front fascia is dominated by Nissan's signature V-Motion grille, now larger and finished with gloss black accents. The LED headlamps and sharper daytime running lights give it a premium and high-tech appearance. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice new 16-inch alloy wheels and functional roof rails that are capable of carrying extra luggage or outdoor gear. The dual-tone color schemes add to its sporty appeal, and the raised stance ensures a proper SUV look. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights, a sporty spoiler, and a stronger bumper finish off the look. Overall, the Magnite has matured in design, making it appear more premium and stylish than ever before. Step inside, and the cabin feels more upmarket compared to previous models. Soft touch materials on the dashboard and doors, quilted leather style seats, and contrast stitching elevate the interior quality. The driver is greeted with a fully digital 7-inch TFT instrument cluster, providing clear driving data. At the center sits a modern infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with wireless charging in higher trims. Comfort has also been taken seriously. Rear passengers get dedicated AC vents, there's a cooled glove box, ambient lighting, and plenty of cubby spaces for storage. The seats offer good support and space is surprisingly generous for a compact SUV. Boot space is around 336 liters, which expands further when you fold down the rear seats. Nissan has equipped the Magnite 2025 with a long list of features. Depending on the variant, you can get push-button start, keyless entry, automatic climate control, and even a 360-degree around-view monitor, a rare feature in this segment. On the safety front, the SUV offers up to 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist, tire pressure monitoring, and an improved body structure for added crash protection. Under the bonnet, buyers can choose between two engines, a 1.0-liter naturally aspirated unit, or the more powerful 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine. The turbo version delivers nearly 100 horsepower and comes with the option of a smooth CVT automatic gearbox, making it ideal for city as well as highway driving. The Magnite also maintains a healthy ground clearance of about 200 mm, ensuring it can tackle rougher roads without worry. Despite being compact in size, the Magnite feels surprisingly practical. The suspension is tuned to handle bumps and uneven surfaces comfortably, while steering remains light and easy for city use. Its turning radius is compact, which makes parking and navigating tight streets effortless. Fuel efficiency, especially with the naturally aspirated engine, is another strong point, making the Magnite an economical choice for daily driving. So, should you consider the Nissan Magnite 2025? If you're looking for a budget-friendly compact SUV with modern styling, premium features, good safety equipment, and practical everyday usability, then the Magnite is definitely worth shortlisting. It might not match the refinement of more expensive rivals, but for its price point, Nissan has delivered excellent value. The 2025 updates make it feel more upmarket and competitive than ever. That wraps up our full review of the new Nissan Magnite 2025. What do you think of its updated design and features? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.